Good medicine saves lives. One dose of potent medicine can bring someone back to life. Chinese herbal medicine, with its significant effects, is the most precious treasure present in the world. Human life is more precious than 1,000 pieces of gold. It's a truly virtuous deed to cure someone with a single remedy. Sun Simiao, a famed doctor of Chinese medicine in the Tang Dynasty, explained how valuable life is with this phrase, and also the value and meaning behind saving a life. Founded in 1946, Shengchang Pharmaceutical continues to pass on Sun Simiao's concept that life is precious. By seeking out effective medicines in the same spirit as the great ancient physicians, rigorously selecting only authentic Chinese herbal medicines from growing sites, and incorporating a modern GMP quality management system to ensure good source management of medical materials and supplier evaluations, guaranteeing the quality and stability of supply sources. Decades of herbal medicine purchasing experience is a valuable asset of Shengchang Pharmaceutical. In the early days, experienced herbalists determined the quality of herbal medicines based on their appearance, characteristics, and scent. Now, advanced testing instruments and techniques are used. Scientific data is utilized to control the origin and effective ingredients of herbal medicine. Both the appearance and content of selected herbal medicines are premium quality. Safety is also a top consideration. Pesticide residue, heavy metals, alpha toxins, and sulfur dioxides are all tested and controlled. After being collected, the herbal medicines, except for the small amount which may be used in their original state, must generally undergo a certain amount of processing before use. The Chinese term for this processing is paozhi. Shengchang adheres to ancient TCM processing principles, pursuing innovation while standing by tradition. The ancient ways are passed down in spirit. TCM processing is done with modern equipment to meet clinical and drug safety requirements. After processing, the TCM materials are formed into standard-sized decoction slices. After weighing and verification of the ingredients, advanced German extraction and concentration equipment completely preserves the essence and active ingredients of TCM materials. Cyclone fluid bed drying is then used for spray drying into granules. Different dosages are prepared. From bottle cleaning, filling, weight checking, jet printing of lot numbers and expiry date, to final packing and box sealing. The entire process is fully automated and integrated. To meet the air quality standard requirements for work areas, Shengchang follows GMP management standards to separate people and material pathways in order to prevent cross-contamination. Pressure differential management is implemented for workrooms and corridors. Airflow is controlled to maintain air quality and reduce possible drug contamination to a minimum. Pharmaceuticals is an industry of conscience. The quality of medicine directly affects the health and personal safety of patients. As a result, Shengchang introduced GMP concepts in 1976. All employees receive practical GMP training. The Ministry of Health conducted an audit in 1986, and Shengchang was the first company in Taiwan to pass TCM GMP software auditing. In 2013, Shengchang obtained Japanese foreign pharmaceutical manufacturer qualification and made progress towards international TCM PICS GMP company certification. In order to reach top quality standards, Shengchang upgraded its QC lab into an international standard quality inspection center and is the first company in Taiwan to pass TÜV and TFDA Medicinal Material Origin Identification certification. The testing reports issued by the QIC have international credibility, and strict standards are maintained for each product. In order to develop new and upgraded products, Shengchang retains a pharmaceutical consulting group made up of over 50 professionals and its Chinese medicine R&D team, which has received the National Medical Technology R&D Award 3 times. In the spirit of passing down ancient techniques, TCM has been modernized to meet the needs of busy modern lifestyles. Due to their exacting and specialized techniques, Shengchang received the Japanese Ministry of Health drug import permit in 1975 and has gradually expanded in the Japanese market for more than 40 years. Exports to the American and European markets started in 1988, followed by expansion into the Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong and Southeast Asia markets. In the face of the evolving trends of the healthcare industry, Shengchang will embrace the spirit of inheriting the past while blazing new trails and extracting the essence of the ancient sages' wisdom. Shengchang will open up new opportunities with modern technology and develop production of diverse products. In the course of safeguarding the health and welfare of mankind, Shengchang will make steady progress to usher in the era of big health.